How good is your English? Prove it in this English quiz.
Question 1. I'm good, blank, English. The answer is B, at. We use good at to talk about an ability or skill. Question 2. She's interested, blank, music. The answer is B, in. Interested in is a fixed expression for things we like. Question 3. We meet blank Monday. The answer is C, on. We use on with days of the week. Question 4. The class starts blank 8 o'clock. The answer is A, at. We use at with clock times. Question 5. He was born blank 1998. The answer is B, in. We use in with years and months. Question 6. This gift is blank you. The answer is A, for. We use for to show who receives something. Question 7. I'm listening blank the radio. The answer is B, to. The verb listen is always followed by to. Question 8. She's afraid blank dogs. The answer is A, of. Afraid of is a fixed expression for fear. Question 9. Please wait blank me. The answer is C, for. We use wait for when we expect someone or something. Question 10. I depend blank my family. Do you know? Leave it in the comments. How many did you get? Comment your score. Follow AZ English Fluency for more.